Why do we use Google? At times, we use it to search for something like fashion, cars, news, or for answers specifically in subjects that are really difficult. Google, what is the weather forecast today? Google, how should I retrieve deleted items on my phone? Google, what is the pathophysiology of cancer? And many more questions. Other people use Google to look for jobs. May it be an easy question or not, we often rely on Google for answers. But what if I tell you that by using Google and searching for sites, we can earn money? Yes, you've heard it right. You can earn $300 or more in a day. So without further ado, I would like to ask you to subscribe and click the notification bell to be updated whenever we post new videos. Hi, this is Financial Intellect, where in our channel, we promote that to be finance savvy. We are your buddy. I would also like you to stay tuned until the end because there will be tips on how to double your money. All you need to prepare is your time, an internet connection, and your device, and you can earn money from anywhere you are, may it be at the beach, at the mall, or in your bed. This does not require you to pay an investment fee or any other fee. It also won't require you to have a degree. One more thing, this is available in all countries. If you have the courage to take the leap of faith, then this is for you. The first step that I want you to do is open your Google browser. By the way, you can follow through the steps as we go on to this video. You can also choose to just write it first or take important notes for you to follow through in the future. Are you there? Are you following? Okay, let's start. Once you've opened the browser, search shrinkme.io. Before we proceed to the steps, let's familiarize ourselves with the site. Shrinkme.io is a service that allows users to shorten other websites' URLs. It is often required to provide short URLs in order to share and post on multiple social networking platforms. Some websites do not allow users to post large URLs or URLs from other websites, which is why shrinkme.io is used. Another fantastic feature of the platform is that people who use it to shorten their URLs are paid based on their location. Anyone can join this site because it is open to the entire world. There is no limit to someone who can join and register. Everyone can do so and will get the approval to start instantly. There are a variety of payment options available to users from all over the world. Every new user will receive $1 welcome bonus. Members can also earn by referring new members as well. Your earnings are withdrawable via PayPal, Paytm, Skrill, Payeer, UPI, bank transfer, Litecoin, Ripple, Bitcoin, and PhonePe. What's nice about this site is that you can cash out your earnings once it reaches as little as $5. Lastly, shrinkme.io is a legit website. When in doubt, we can always check for income or payment proofs, which we will be seeing later. Now that we are familiar with shrinkme.io, let's go to the registration process and how you can earn by using this website. Please stay tuned until the end because we will be sharing tips and tricks on how to double your earnings. These are the easy steps that we will follow. Number 1, you have to register for an account. Once again, you don't have to worry because registration is free. Number 2, look for a link and then shorten the URL. After shortening the URL, you can share the link in a forum. Third step, start earning at least $350 or more each day as long as you've set the system right. So once again, I hope that you will not skip or leave this video early because later we will share more tips that are vital in this website. Don't try to risk missing out on the most important tip that you can really use in earning. After you search shrinkme.io in your browser, you will be brought to this page. You can click the first link that you will see on this website. This right here is the right website, so if you think that the homepage is different from what we are showing you, you can safely exit and search once more for shrinkme.io. Are we on the same page? If we are, let's continue. This is what I meant earlier. This is a payment proof. These are the members who recently cashed out their earnings from this website. By the way, if you click the payout rates, you will see the different rates from each country. Greenland has the highest payout rate. The payout rates are dynamic and are determined by the amount of advertising revenue they receive. As a result, rates for some countries may fluctuate without warning from time to time. To explain it thoroughly, this is how the payout rates work. If you get people from Greenland to click on your link, you'll earn $22 for each 1,000 clicks. And if you get people from the United States to click on your link, you'll earn $10. You'll see people from all over the world clicking on your link, and you'll earn a different rate each time. To start, you can locate the word register on the upper right corner beside the word login. Click it and you will be brought to another page. Make sure to fill out all the necessary information. Do not worry because your personal information is protected. So type your username, your email, and make a strong password. That, at the same time, a password that is easier to remember. You can also choose to register using your existing Google account. So basically, every click that you will get from the shared shortened link is responsible for your earned money. The more links that you can share, the more money you will earn. This is another tip that I mentioned earlier. In order to earn more clicks and earn more money, go to youtube.com and look for videos that are relatable to most people nowadays. For example, most people are obsessed with workout and fitness. You can search for specific videos that talk about exercise and fitness, losing weight, proper diet, or any topic that is applicable to fitness. After you pick the video that you want to share, you can go back to the website and post the long link there. Click New Shorten Link on the upper left, then paste it on the space provided where you will see your URL here. After that, click the word shorten below and the site will process it and shorten the link for you. Another tip, make sure to pick the most viewed video in YouTube with the same topic. If you are concerned that the owners will sue you for using their video, don't be. You are not stealing their video, you are just sharing it so that you can earn money. At the same time, the viewers who will click the link will of course watch the video, making it as an additional view on their channel. It's a win-win situation. Now that you have shortened your link, you can open another browser in Google and search for forums regarding fitness. Make sure to post the link to different forums that you will see. Many people who love fitness will hang around on different forums to get ideas and get advice about fitness. In every link, you must make sure that you have a target audience in mind. Once you decide on the target audience, you can then share the links from different forums. Remember, the more clicks you get, the more money you will earn. As I have mentioned earlier, the highest payout rate is in Greenland. This is another tip that we would like to share with you. Thank you for reaching this part of the video. This is our bonus reward. In order to gather a lot more clicks from Greenland, you can search from a specific country. Here's how to do that. First, right-click and click on Settings. Next, click the Advanced Search, and by doing so, you will be directed to forums specifically in Greenland. You can repeat the same methods for the next links. Choose a target audience, choose a topic relevant to the audience, copy and paste the link, shorten the link, and search for forums. To earn specific amounts, you can use the bonus tip. Once again, click Settings, then Advanced Search, and type in a specific country. That's it for today's video, Financial Buddies. Thank you for staying till the end. We would like to hear your thoughts about the video. Just comment down below. I hope that you have learned another way of earning money comfortably. Please give this video a huge thumbs up and click the notification bell for you to be notified whenever we post new money-making videos. Click the subscribe button if you haven't yet and share this video to your family and friends. This is Financial Intellect and we promote that to be finance savvy. We are your buddy. Until the next video, bye!